Today in our lesson we will solve another problem of cooperative work. The conditions of our problem are as follows. The first company can build a house in 9 months, and the second company can build it in 12 months. The first company did 3 months of work, and the second company did the rest of the work. In how many months was the house built? Notice that I have drawn 2 tables to solve this problem, and we will be entering our data into 2 tables. To solve this problem, I need to find the productivity of the first company and the productivity of the second company. In order to find the productivity of the first company, I divide 1 by 9. The productivity of company 1 is 1/9, and the productivity of the second company is 1/12. The problem condition says that the first company worked for 3 months and the rest of the work was done by the second company. And in order to record the new data, I need a second table. The first company worked for 3 months. I'm recording 3 months. The productivity of the first company did not change, so I will record the productivity of the first company 1/9. The productivity of the second company also remained 1/12. But I left the work and did not record it as 1. Why? Because the first company worked for 3 months and then it only did a fraction of the work. Let's remember the formula. You have to multiply productivity by time to get a job. Then the first company only did 1/3. 1/3 of the work. So I'll write down that work equals 1 part in 3 parts. Then I can calculate how much of the work the second company did. And then, using the formula, the equals work divided by productivity, I'll find the time it took the second company to do the work. The second company did the work. The first company did 1/3 of the work. Then what part did the second company do? What should I do? Take 1/3, subtract 1/3, equals 2/3. And that part of the job went to the second company. 2/3 work. Let's use the formula T equals work divided by productivity. Second company's work, 2/3, divided by productivity, 1/12. And then 2/3 multiplied by the first 12. 2 times 12, 24, and 3 times 1, 3. 24 divided by 3, 8. That is, the second company was still operating for 8 months. The first company worked 3 months, the second company worked 8 months, all in all. 3 plus 8 equals 11 months, in 11 months. The first company and the second company built this house. Today, in the lesson, we solved another problem for cooperative work. Notice that when I solved the problem, I took 1 unit for the work. And in the other table, I took not a unit for the work, but parts of the work, the whole work, because the first company worked for 3 months and completed only 1/3 of the work. For 3 months and only did 1/3 of the work. In the next lesson, we will solve another problem, And for today, our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye, see you again.